Today is February 6th, and we are going for a walk past the house. Cormac's a little hesitant because he's never walked this far. Cormac, come on. There you go. There we go. See, it's about 34 degrees out today. So we can get out and play, but we still gotta wear our gloves and our hat. Yeah. He's talking to all the cars that keep coming by. Come on, Cormac. Cormac Lee. Come on. Come on. He likes going for walks with his dog, but we gotta stop and watch all of the cars go by. Say bye-bye. Cormac, say bye-bye. 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 Cormac Lee. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.